Alright, I'm back. Alright, so let's see. Why this thing not working? This is a regular model. I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna check real quick. Well, apparently this thing doesn't really take. Unless I'm using it wrong. And I'm supposed to, well, not really. Hold on. How did I use this in, did I use that template maybe? Do I have this patch here? Okay. Not even using the reducer. Okay. Let's take a look at that. Let's actually say that I like to have it how it used to be. And I'm gonna say that this is a payload. Payload. Like, is that what it is? Let me see. Well, that was stupid. But let me see. What would that do? Okay, so let's make sure that we're able to add something. Then 12. Yeah. So still able to add it. We're still able to make the update. Yeah, that's working, and then this is updating as well. Okay, so what is it that is so messed up? You know what? I'm not even going to go too crazy. I think it's because this here should go in here, and that should be good now. Yeah. Okay, it's okay. We're learning. You need to have some errors in order for you to actually understand what's going on. Because if you have error, that means that you did not understand it correctly, and you need to solve it. So when you solve it, you understand exactly what is it you did wrong, and then you understand how it works. So expecting this payload property, and then you can put whatever within the property. That's basically what it is. Alright, so that looks good so far. Um, the code is a lot smaller. We can remove this now. Yeah, so this is a lot more functional than it used to be. The only thing that we're doing is that we have to create this import to import the database, and then the second one is basically handling our form, which has a whole bunch of different functionalities that we otherwise would have in this file. So there's a few things that I need to do. Maybe learn how to use and not have, for example, this reset here, maybe, but I'm not sure how to do that. How to use hook. Let me see. How do you use hooks with use effect? Well, inside use effect. So basically, I wonder if you can use hooks. I mean, use effect inside hooks. Well, yeah, I'm missing hooks inside hooks. Already we use state. That's good. So look at this one. This one is full. That one is a full form, and every time I do something, this update which is preparing everything. So when I hit submit, okay, so use effect, but only whenever something changes, right? So we can say this field changes. Okay, we can give it a try. Let me see. Let's come up here and let's say use effect. I think we need to import this function. Okay, so there you go. So I think the way you gotta do it is you create a function, and then, well, if you create a function, you can do console log now. Let's say use effect. Dot. Okay, so now every time we do something, we should expect to see that console log to put something in there to render. I think I should remove the debugger. Where do I have the debugger? On the form. Okay, so alright, so let's see. The console, we say this. I want to see everything. Let me see info. So let's do this. Let's say, so there you go. Can we see the entire message? It's okay. Yeah, there's a way to actually change this to see everything. Okay. I'm not gonna go too crazy on this. Alright, so there you go. So now let's see that well, right now I have it on this and I have it on that. So if I want to tell it, okay, only do it when this value, let's say name for now, when name is executed. Let's see. Leave this on. Okay. So I'm gonna type something here. Nothing should happen. But I wanna type something here. There you go. So I don't need, if I want to do some type of validation check, I only need to validate it here and not here. So where am I validating? Validation is always happening here, but I want to execute that there. Well, I'm explicitly telling it over here to check. Now I'm wondering. Let me see something. Can I move this stuff. Hold on. Let's say, well, it's okay. I'm just trying to learn how to use it. All right. So right now, let's say that I want only do it on the balance. There you go. So now, I'm gonna tap in here, nothing comes out. Okay, perfect. So yeah, so that's one good case. But we also have some sort of cleaning mechanism that we can do with this. How do you do that? Let's see. So what you're telling me is that if I say return here, I don't know if that's how you do it. Can I create a function? Is that how you do it? No idea. And then you wrap that to this. I can say console log, do this, say bit4 select. Let me see how you do that before. Do you have anything here for cleaning up? Let me see. Well, let's not go too crazy with this. Well, right now, let me see. I think it's not giving me any errors. One over here, one for this. We'll have to put a semicolon. I don't think so, but let's do it. Okay, let's see. I call this before use effect and then use effect. That's cool. Okay. That's a little weird because then what it implied is that I can say here, let me see. Let me take a shot of this real quick. Hold on, that might not work. What I'm trying to do. Now, should this be inside this? Well, I think it is. Okay, let's see something. So it is just like even just now. Why can't I just do that? Before use effect. There you go. But this never is getting executed. The other one. That's why. That is some weird stuff, right? Okay, so you need to have this first in order for this to work properly. Oh, at least now I know, right? There you go. Now you can both of them. Because it's always gonna execute. Okay, so this one looks like it's second, but it's first. Do you have it? That is some weird stuff. I'll be back.